The flexibility of driving in the app-based business environment is very important to me. I'm not able to work a traditional job, and I am on a fixed income. A lot of times my fixed income doesn't quite cover all the expenses that the month brings my way.
And Uber allows me to work as little or as much as I need to.
I am a war veteran, and when I started driving for Uber, I was able to have the freedom to take breaks when I need to. I didn't have to answer to anyone.
Whenever my granddaughter has medical needs, I can help take care of her for weeks at a time.
Being able to go out and earn my own money with Uber helps me tremendously.
I am in favor of Proposition 22.
I support Proposition 22.
It's flexible, convenient, has benefits.
To allow us to access accident insurance and other benefits, guaranteed income.
So please say yes on Proposition 22 for everyone's sake. Thank you so much.